Up here? Oh, okay, thank you, I'll stop. Welcome back, everyone. This is kind of the first video of one of our longer series that we do every year, which is our big summer road trip. I'm headed over to the motorhome right now. I gotta throw a new chassis battery in there because it was dead. Tomorrow I'm gonna start all the cleaning and getting everything like actually ready. I'm gonna bring the motorhome over to the house and just kind of start going through all the stuff. We made it to the RV. She's definitely seen better days. Battery's dead, very dirty. Haven't taken her out in like 3 months, but she's alive and well. Got air in her tires, about to have some electricity flowing through her veins. Get our battery installed there. Coat washers with grease and playing green washer over negative and red washer over positive. Once we connect this battery, it should click on a relay too. That will let us know that everything's hooked up as it should be. It actually died so bad it didn't have enough juice to lower the stairs on the entry, because the entry stairs are connected to the chassis battery. And I walk up and I open the door and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's so cooked. We're covering a lot of miles in the next couple weeks. Now we're going to attach the battery terminals. Do positive first and then negative. Probably gonna click over once we connect this guy. Yep, there it went. Brand new bats in. And we just lock that bad boy up. All right, so as long as when I unlock and open this door, these stairs come down, we're looking pretty. We are happy campers, guys. First try crank. Oh, baby. Fired right up in like a second. That's what I'm talking about. I like it. What up, guys? All right, we are on our way now to go pick up the motorhome. So we're leaving in 3 days, 3 more days. So the prep is fully underway. I'm gonna check the oil, air pressure in the tires. I'm gonna be taking a look at the water heater. I'm gonna test out the generator. I gotta hitch up the e-bike rack to carry Allison and my e-bike. And then I also gotta figure out where we're gonna store Caesar and Matthew's e-bikes. I'm gonna be working on that today. Hopefully we don't run into any issues of things not working as they should. I'm gonna open up the slides and ultimately just give everything a once over, make sure everything looks good. We made it to the RV here. Just gonna get this pulled out and put the truck here, and then just mess with this guy at home. The moment of truth, and put the new battery in. If I open this door, the battery's still got a charge. Seemed kind of slow, to be honest. Oh no. It seems like it's dead. Yeah. Something is drawing it still. Stairs are not coming up though. Seemed like it was just juiced a little bit. This thing hasn't ran in months and everything is just a little bit okay, battery's flowing now. Shade goes up, another good sign. The AC in this cab though never works well in the summer because it's literally a giant glass. You're blasting through the outside heat, you know what I mean? There's hot air seeping in through all the openings. My steps are up, so that's good. The jacks turn on, so we should be able to So far, so good. All right. Yeah, if you got any experience with RVs, after letting them sit for a while, they sometimes like to do weird stuff. There she is, ready for another 2,500 miles of adventure. Who knows what we got in store? It's a long haul. So as you can probably tell, we gotta get this windshield cleaned up. We gotta get all the windows, the mirrors all cleaned too. The inside's relatively clean because I did a recent deep clean, but there's still little spots that can use a wipe down. I don't know if I'm gonna make it down this aisle. Let's see, because when I came, yeah, probably fine. Up here? Oh, okay, thank you, I'll stop. Yeah. And we just locked that bad boy up. Well, thank God that was helpful. The front thing is not locked for some reason. All right, that guy was cool. I forgot to lock him when I went to put the battery in. Now we'll head on home. Everything's good now. All right, guys, so now we're back to the house. Let me just get parked here. Give me a second. I'm going in the wrong angle, it feels like. I need to just drive away here. There we go. Now we are in there like swimwear. What's up, guys? I'm back doing some work on the RV this morning. Time to go get some gas. Gotta close this garage. God, I look so bald in the sun. All right, we're gassing up. We've got 150 bucks in the tank, and yeah, gotta fill it up again. Takes 80 gallons. That was only. All right, we're all done at the gas station. Took about 65 gallons. Gonna head back home now. All right, it's the next day. One more day till we leave on our trip. We got our groceries, getting everything packed up. The fridge turned on. Allie got all the groceries. All right, so today I gotta load the e-bikes. I gotta clean the windows. I gotta load some of the non-perishable foods. Nice dishes, strainer. More organized.
Mobile snack waitress.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Mac, we don't live in here yet, buddy. We'll let you organize everything. Especially in transit, you'll be the main one in there. No, we're not ready to go today, bud.
Okay.
If we were going today, we'd be a lot more.
Do you think this is enough plates for on the road? Because this is, we don't have this in the pop out, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Like
yeah.
That's.
Oh, for on the go?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's plenty. I thought you meant for the whole trip. I was like,
No,
what?
I meant.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's hot, man. It's gonna be very hot. Especially in transit. Once we get there, we'll just run the AC 24/7. Should be fine then. We're having family stay at the house, and Binks is not gonna go with us on this one. She's gonna stay home. She's just getting so old. Allie loves packing for RV trips. Put the e-bikes on now. Already got the hitch hauler up there. I'm gonna put these on, and then Then I'm probably gonna take a break. It's really hot and I'm tired. And I'm gonna let you in on a little RV trick. If you're ever having trouble with your fridge, getting it to start on propane, and you turn it on and it just beeps and says it's got no pilot or no or a fault or anything like that, this is the trick. You turn your stove on, turn all the burners, light them up, and let them pull some propane through, and then turn it off. And then when you switch it over to propane, and the fridge propane line is super small flame, so what that kind of sets it up so it can pull it through to the fridge and get that thing lit, and then you're good. And speaking of, I think I am gonna turn the AC and the generator off, and then I'm going to plug it in and charge everything up with my house. Get those e-bikes on there first. All right, gonna fill up the water tank now. Okay, first tank. All right, let's go flip on that water. Almost there. One bike's on. These things lock on here so nicely too. They got this clamp. They've got this little safety strap. 2 spoke straps. They get tightened down. Water's good. Disconnect. So many things to do for RV prep, especially when you're going for a long trip. We've actually got a few thousand miles on this bike ride carrying these bikes, and it works pretty well. That is good to go. We have seen the inside too. The inside is dirty. Handprints on that stuff. I thought I was gonna get away with just the outside. We had a spot out in Ocotillo Wells that we left it at, and we would just go there and camp there, but I don't know, it just kind of got beat up there. It got really blasted in like the sandstorms and stuff. Yeah, and I still haven't got it clean from it, like slowly but surely. All right guys, we are headed off tomorrow morning. RV's pretty much loaded up, just got to put our clothes in there and we are out of here. Look forward to the adventure, guys. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Be on the lookout for all of our future uploads about this adventure.